Dear student, as I am discussing about the website concept, there are very common websites are like wikipedia.org, google.com, amazon.com, cbsc.nic.in. We all are familiar with Facebook, Yahoo, Flipkart, all these different type of now web page. Okay, what is web page? Web page or a document which is made on HTML, hypertext markup language. Okay, this is commonly written on the HTML code, and based on the HTML code, we can see the page with a picture with things previously HTML was there, but now at time HTML has been removed from the syllabus. So therefore, so HTML and it has an what URL, uniform resource locator, that is an address, unique address of that particular one. Okay, that web browser is there, and you can provide the different type of information to the person, like visiting, including the picture, illustrate the topics, all these things. Now web page, what is the difference between web page and website? Web page, it is a single document on internet, but website is a collection of many web page. Many web page are collected and make one particular domain. Under the same domain they will going to work. Web page is what develop requirement minimum amount of time, and for website development it take a long time. Day by we said Google every day is becoming new, every day new thing is going to upload it. So that means website is every day they are creating something new. Web page is content about a single thing, okay, but website contains about the several entity. Web page has what address or URL dependent on the website, and URL of the website does not dependent upon the web page. So it is content that it to be displayed on a website, and this website is the place where to display the content. And web page URL is an extension like python.mykvs.in or syllabus.html, but in this no extension of URL, the python.kvs.in. After that nothing is there, no HTML and all this thing is required. So this is a general difference. You can read from your book, you can write it from here also. Now static web page, what are the static web page? Those the static web page means the page which are very simple page, simple language like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Okay, so all these things are very common language format. So they are being developed on this static platform, and when you send to any of the person, this static page can be used to work on it. Okay, so like web browser, step 1 it's required to web page, and step 2 it responds HTTP response static in the static web page. Okay, now dynamic web page. Dynamic web page is little bit harder. Like dynamic web page is written on some specified language like JPS, ASP, .NET, okay, PHP. So all these different pattern of languages are there. So all these different type of language, what they the web page is dynamic because the content of this page is as per the requirement. What is required, that much only being created. Like suppose you want one web page for your own. Okay, so you have some specific requirement, you say to them, they created it, that will be a dynamic, but you made it for the public, so that will be a static, that cannot be changed. What you as like CBSE has made a page, first page, that is a static, isn't it? That is not dynamic, but some of the page you can find they are dynamic, they will not change. Like your stock price, weather report, weather information, they are dynamic web page. Like your railway reservation, they are the dynamic web page, they will not going to change. Okay, so static web page and dynamic web page will remain same, page will remain same until the user do something manually, and dynamic web page will content of the page are different from the different visitor. Okay, so this in the static, what the static is used written in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and dynamic use CGI, AJX, AX, ASP, ASP.NET, all these languages. This is less complex, this is complicated, dynamic is complicated. Information is changed rarely, but this here information can change frequently. Less time for loading, it take more time for loading, and data is not database is not used, but here dynamic case database is used. Okay, web server, web server is the server from where you are getting the connection, or you are getting the connectivity system. Like web server is a computer where the web content is being stored. So this computer is used basically to store the web content. Basically the web server is used to host the website and deliver the resources and requests through the web browser. So there is a technical HTTP is there, we